Today I'm going to show you how to use a hashtag on X, formerly known as Twitter, in the simplest way possible. Hashtags are one of the easiest ways to help people find your posts, join conversations, and follow trending topics on the platform. If you want your content to be more discoverable, learning this small step can make a big difference. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. To use a hashtag on X, all you need to do is type the pound symbol, which looks like this, mantra, and then immediately follow it with a keyword or phrase. For example, if you want to talk about marketing, you can type hacked marketing. If you want to join a conversation about music, you could type hacked music. The important part is that there should be no space between the hashtag symbol and the word you want to use. As soon as you start typing, X will usually show you a drop-down with suggested hashtags. This is very helpful because it lets you see popular or related tags that other users are already searching for and using. If one of the suggested hashtags matches what you want, you can simply click it or continue typing it yourself. This helps make sure your hashtag is formatted correctly and is more likely to connect your post with the right audience. You can also use hashtags in the middle of a sentence or at the end of your post. For example, you might write, "Learning new social media tips every day, content creator." That's a perfectly normal way to use it. You can even use more than one hashtag in a post if they are relevant, but it's usually best to keep them focused and avoid stuffing too many tags into one tweet. A few strong, relevant hashtags will usually work better than a long list of random ones. Another thing to remember is that hashtags on X should be relevant to your post. If you use tags that have nothing to do with your content, people may ignore your post and it can look spammy. So try to choose hashtags that clearly match your topic, your niche, or the conversation you want to join. That way, your post has a better chance of reaching the right people. If you're posting about a current event, a trending topic, or a specific community, hashtags can help your post get discovered faster. They're also useful for organizing your own content strategy if you post regularly on X. Once you get used to it, it becomes second nature. Type the hash symbol, add your word, check the suggestion dropdown, and post. So to recap, using a hashtag on X is as easy as typing Namboj, followed immediately by your keyword or phrase, then choosing a suggestion if one appears. It's a small step, but it can help increase visibility and engagement on your posts. If this video helped you learn something new, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.